Alright, well, I'm going to cleanse this tarot deck today. I picked it up yesterday at Half Price Books. It is absolutely adorable, but it was used. So we've got to wipe out the old energy and put the new, my energy into them. So what I did already was I went through, I wanted to make sure all 78 cards were here. Looks like we're good. So major arcana pile, all in order. I touched every single one, kind of like admired the artwork. I'm just in love with this deck. I'm gonna have to do some research and see if they have anything else. But everything is in order. I'm gonna do just a few things that feel right to me that I've done in the past, and from the list that was suggested on Reddit. So let's get started. First, I'm going to grab some crystals. I'm going to grab some clear quartz, a couple of those, and some rose quartz. I love. Yeah, we'll leave it there. It's a small deck anyway. So it's early in the morning, and the sun hits this window all day long. So I'm going to lay everything in the sun, the box and the book too. I'm going to do a couple things that feel right to me. I've always liked knocking on the cards. I feel like that's a good way to just push everything out. So. I do have the window cracked, but it is like 90 degrees here today, so we're not going to waste the AC. But I'm gonna leave this here all day and overnight, as badly as I want to use them today. And I want them to be clean. I'm gonna lay everything else out so it can get cleansed too. Come back, I do have a review for this deck also. A little bit more in depth, some close-up of some of the artwork and stuff too. So I'll post that soon, but we're gonna let these rejuvenate and reset, and we'll use a different deck for today. So have a good day. Bye. And my cat decided to stand guard for me.